Alright, character body rigging. Let's add some bones and controllers to make your characters move. This is a quick fire summary lesson on character rigging. By the way, my name is Jeff. I'm an animator working in the animation industry. I'm always happy to hear from you guys, so please leave a comment and poke that subscribe button. Please and thank you. Alright. Okay, the body rig. The body is basically a hierarchy of parent bones and child bones. There's a specific order to them. So when you move one part of the body, the logical other parts will follow. Kinda like when you rotate your arms, your hands follow along, and not the other way around. Okay, let's start. The main parent bone is the hips, or the COM, the center of mass. From the hips connects the thigh bones, then legs, foot, then toe. A lot of rigs only have one toe bone because most characters wear shoes, or they don't really need to move individual toes. After that are the spine bones. Usually there are two of them, spine 1, spine 2. The chest bone is after that. From the chest attaches the arm and the neck and the head. Okay, the arms first. The arms, we start with the clavicle bones. Made to make shoulder shrugs and stuff. Then you have an upper arm and forearm. The hands come after, and from that connects all the 5 bones for fingers, each of which has 3 finger bones. Make sure all the finger bones move just as you want them to look. Lastly, the head. You got a neck bone and a head bone. That's it. Everything else connected to the head will be the face rigging. As for the face rig, oh boy, I might make a separate video for this. There's a lot to cover. I'll come back for this one.